Just a minute. Over.
Electric vehicles, or XEVs, are going to be the mainstream on roads. Many TDK products are used.
Distribution factor for overall side is 0 in this one. Fully clear, fast. You don't have to worry now. You don't have to worry now.
I thought just a minute. It is applying higher power measure. Up to where? Problem. If I turn slightly, okay, I think, ammunition. I will bend down so that board is correctly visible. Okay, no problem. That's all secondary. Note, work on little this side and little down. Work on MEV, okay. Everything okay. Further repair I will not go for. If I go to further repair, it will spoil. Is the voice clear? Voice clear means I will start. Oh, no recording. Recording I don't have to put. Board fully visible. Voice clear. Board visible and voice clear means I will start. Board visible. I can see fully visible. Just I want voice clear. No reply. Voice clear. Comment fast. Waiting for the reply. Why no reply? Voice. Ah, yes. Both are clear. Okay, I'll start. See, not much now. I won't see much chat and ask questions. I will just explain here. See, I will not once again go back. Those who are new, you should see part 1, part 2 and part 3. Heading is what? Complete explanation of MD method, SD method and SD method, MD method and Kani's method. If you are absent for earlier 2, if you can't follow means your problem. You start from beginning. Okay, start. Where I left yesterday. Now remember, last part, concluding part. SD method, all 9 basic questions are over. MD and Kani, 4 basic questions over. I will tell once again. That side fixed. This side simple support. Next, second question. This side fixed. This side simple support. Sorry. First question is both sides fixed. Second question, that side fixed, this side simple support. Third question, this side fixed, this side simple support. Last question, last time, both simple support. I told you, if simple support, you go for round off this way. This all I told you last time. You should refer. And in case simple support has got overhang, you round off this way. Remember, this is a crude method, but very effective method. Okay, start. Now, we will start with overhang. Will not take much time. See, once again, first question, question number 5. See, this is question 5. In the order, question 5. Left side fixed, right side overhang. Okay. As usual, this is absolutely fixed. Remember all this for MD and Kani's method. Intermediate, therefore considered fixed. It is not considered fixed, means permanently fixed, not that way. For stiffness and carryover fixed, remember, don't tell it is fixed support. These all I already told so many times. No point in wasting time. Absolutely fixed. Intermediate, considered as fixed. Intermediate, considered as fixed. This is the end support. End support, be careful. Don't consider overhang. If there is no see, these are intermediate because either side supports are there. Here, this side support is there. That side no support. Therefore, even though the support is little interior, it is not intermediate. This I told earlier. Yes or no? It is not intermediate. It is little interior, no doubt. Interior difference, intermediate difference. Clear? Interior is different, intermediate different. We want the term intermediate. Clear or not? I will ask only once. Interior is different, intermediate is different. Our technical term is intermediate. Clear? I don't know whether clear or not. Comment is not coming. This I am telling right from beginning of the course. Okay. If you don't apply also, no problem. So, this is end support. And this is simple support with overhang. Therefore, I told you, here, see, I by L, I by L. I by L, this is 3/4 I by L. Now, very important. Simple, if it is ordinary simple support, I will fully round here. Final moment should be 0. But here, if you put this way, it is simple support, but final moment is not 0. This moment plus this moment should be 0. That is the condition. Or crude method, I will tell only once. At simple support, see, later, simple support, if it is no overhang, full round, full release, plus 80, make minus 80. Full release. Full release. See, that is called releasing moment. But if simple support is there with overhang, it is releasing unbalanced moment. I will tell you. If it is plus 80 and I will do one thing now. The overhanging moment, I will put minus 60. I will put minus 60. Allo 60. Minus 20. I will put minus 20. Now, if the overhang is not there, plus 80, put minus 80, carry over half for both MD and Kani. But now, 80 and minus 20 is there. If you add these two, 80 plus minus 20 is plus 60. And plus 60, releasing is minus 60. Minus 60, not that side. I told you, this is permanently 0. No distribution factor for overhang. This I told you. So, this is 1. So, therefore, the releasing here is, see, you add these two, see, or you can remember one thing. Here, see, if it is ordinary simple support, add is only one value, plus 80. Whatever is there, change the sign right here. If overhang is there, add the two value, plus 80 minus 20 is plus 60. Change the sign, minus 60, and introduce it to not overhang side, introduce it to inner side, not overhanging side. Introduce to inner side, plus 60. I'll use red color. Fully clear? Tell me. If fully clear, over, then nothing further. If full clear, but fully clear, over, introduce how much here? See, I'll write once again. It is not fully visible. Plus 80 here. Therefore, when you add these two, you introduce minus 60 here. Carry over half here, minus 30. Okay, over. Now, this is all fixed. Since you applied and see some statement you have to write here. I will not write. In the class I wrote earlier, those who are regular students, release unbalanced moment at D. Then carry over to far end. Start. Add once again. Put double line. When you are adding, put double line. This is initial moment or modified FPM. Modified FPM. If you want name, so it will come minus 60 plus 50 minus 42 plus 36 minus 70 plus 20 minus 20 over. Now next very important, wherever you release or wherever simple support is there, whether it is simple support without overhang or simple support with overhang, it is simple support, red color. Block. No more carryover here. No more carryover here. Later, this carryover is not there. Right, over. Now, enjoy the table and get the final moment. Fully clear? Enjoy the table, get the final moment, go to star. Over, that's all. Tell me, full clear? If it is clear, I will go to Kani's method. If it is clear, go to Kani's method. Enjoy the table. How to enjoy table, I don't know. People should not tell how to enjoy the table. Enjoy it. No comment. If you tell clear, okay, clear. Thank you. Now, come to Kani's method. Remember, all these are same. Instead of distribution factor, I have not written value here. I don't know how much is the value. Find rotation factor. Okay. Then, M dash AB, etc. See, this is absolutely fixed. So, lastly, FPM enter here. Minus 60 plus 50 random values. Minus 42 plus 36 minus 70 plus 80. Now, sorry, one more is there. Overhang also is there. It is minus 20. Enter here. These are the original FPMs. Okay. Now, start. First, remember, come to simple support. Here, be careful. This is D. And it is simple support with overhang. Remember, this later is going to be imaginary fixed support. So, this value equal to 0. Imaginary 0. This is real 0. Okay, now, what you have done in MD method, do same thing here. Add the two values. 80, see, suppose this is not there, plus 80, put minus 80 here. Now, plus 80 minus 20. If this overhang is not there, unbalance is plus 80. So introduce minus 80 inside, not outside, inside. If overhang is there, unbalance is plus 60, introduce minus 60 over. Half carry over here, minus 30. Then better go for modified values. Minus 100, this is plus 20 over. Now, add the two FPM here, write plus 8. Add the two FPM here, 36 minus 100, minus 64 over. Now, happily enjoy the table. Okay, that I will not tell. See, here, there. No. Already YouTube, one example given, which is valid for all 9 cases. Over. When the time for Kani's method, final moment comes, mx, this already I told you last time. I am telling because concluding calls. mxy equal to m bar xy plus 2 m dash xy plus m dash yx, or in words, any final moment equal to corresponding FPM 2 times rotation contribution at the near end plus rotation contribution at the far end. But warning, do not apply this expression at either simple support or simple support with overhang. And where means where? At simple support or simple support with overhang, final moment is directly equal to modified FPM. Therefore, today's class, tell me for this example, where you should be careful. Tell me, which point you should be careful. Tell me, which point you should be careful. When you minus 100, ಏನು minus 100? ಏನು minus 100? Correct. Which point you should be careful. This example, Suresh Sen at C, yes, minus 100, correct. I wrote minus 100 only. Minus 70, minus 30 is minus 100. Correct. Last time 110 because it was 40 last time there. Tell me, which point you should be careful when you apply D. Therefore, at D, one moment is MDC, other is MDE. See here, these two moments, be careful. Be careful. Or you do not, see, here all apply Carney's method. Okay, I will put it this way. Enjoy, same formula. But here, directly, final moment equal to, see, modified FPM. This side is plus 20, this is minus 20 is the answer. Over. Go to star. Answer will tally with the etc. Is it fully clear? I will go to question number 6. In question, now, in MDM. Oh, okay. Oh, what is print mistake? Print mistake, now corrected. If such mistakes are there, called print mistake. Okay, now, full clear this question. Left side fixed, right side overhang. Now will be over very fast. See now, another half an hour, it will be over now. Full clear? Okay. Now, go to question number 6. Question number 6 is same right side overhang, but left side is simple support. Therefore, this is, remember, A is simple support. What? Simple support without overhang. So, full round, simple support. Therefore, this stiffness will become 3/4 I by L. That also 3/4 I by L. Okay, now, I won't waste time now. Just one correction. Tell me. Here, table. It is simple support, remember. Therefore, you release unbalanced moment at D and also release full moment at D. A. See here, plus 80 minus 20 is how much? Plus 80 minus 20 is how much? Plus 60. Introduce minus 60. Here, this 60 is not there 60. Here, minus 60 is there. Overhang is not there. See, full round means full release. This will become 0. Okay, then also block this support. There it will remain same as last time. Enjoy the table, finish MD method. Clear now? Enjoy the table and finish MD method. Clear? Okay. Now, come to Carney's method. Only change. That support is same story. But this support is what? See, it is simple support. Or, I told you, simple support will become some imaginary fixed support. It will become imaginary fixed support. So, this contribution, small zero. For a calculator, there is no small zero and big zero. Okay, over. Then, first, here minus 60 is there. Put plus 60. I'll put here imaginary fixed support. Okay. Plus 60. Carry over half here plus 30. Here, unbalanced moment. 80 minus 20 plus 60. Put minus 60, carry over. Add it. When you add, this will become 0. This will become plus 80. Modified FPM. Now, add the FPM. 80 minus 42 will be plus 38. This will remain same. This will remain same. Now, enjoy the table and tell me, when you do final moment, you should be careful not only at D. Tell where? You should be careful not only at D, also careful where? Not only at D. You should be also careful. You should not apply Carney's method. Where? When you do final moment, you should be careful not only at D but also at which point? Here. You should be careful also at. Also at. Last time careful at D. Now careful not only at D but also at. ये answer है करता है नहीं. You are not giving any answer. ये both A and D. So A also be careful. So MAB also be careful. No Carney's method. Why? See, this moment is moment at simple support. It is or here whatever modified FPM 0. Here see simple support without overhang, full round. Simple support with overhang, not full round, total equal to 0. Here see it that itself equal to 0. There total equal to 0. That's all for Carney's method. Remaining moments enjoy by Carney's method. Question number 6 fully clear means I will go to question number 7. If fully clear, question number 7. If question 6 is fully clear, question 7. Today it won't take much time. Yes, okay. Now, question number 7 is, see, now, left side overhang is there. So, now, your ABCD will change. Why? Because I always start name from left side. That's why I told, don't by heart ABCD. By hearting ABCD is an offense. Why? If you by heart ABCD, concept, sometimes people by heart. At A do something. No. Do not by heart ABCD. You remember the real concept. See, right time I am not getting that. Okay, something I require to remove that. Okay, something. Okay, done. Right. Okay, now, question number 7 is left side overhang and right side fixed. Fixed. So, start here. A, B, C, D, E. So, everywhere I have to change the name now. I put B, okay, change my first I finish mark C so that B, E. This confusion is removed. Okay, then member name also will change now. I will first do one thing. 2 minutes, you take rest. Let me finish all the unnecessary things. B, C. Don't see anything now. Incomplete. C, D, D, C, D, E, E, D. Okay. E, D. Okay, now. See, now there is a overhang here. That side no overhang. See, that side there is no overhang. Right time. I kept the paper here for rubbing. Not a, got it. Sometimes if you want something, you won't get it. Okay, one minute. Okay, I start fresh. Okay, start. Now, this is support E, fixed. Minus 60 plus 50 minus 42 plus 36 minus 70. What is the value here I wrote earlier? I wrote here plus 60, plus 80. Was the answer plus 80 here earlier? FPM, was it plus 80 earlier? I want same values. Was it plus 80 earlier? Okay, 80. Overhang is not there. I remember overhang minus 20. Okay, now start. See, this is absolutely fixed. Intermediate, therefore considered fixed. Intermediate considered fixed. This is end support. Simple support with overhang. Be careful. Simple support with overhang. Therefore, this stiffness equal to 3/4 of I by L. This stiffness equal to I by L. When you do D, this is I by L. That also is I by L. Enjoy the distribution factor at C and D. Remember, at B, distribution factor, you don't have to calculate. Inside is 1, overhang is 0. There's a member called BA here. BA. And remember, it's called BA. And remember what? Remember that this is simple support. Remember, simple support with overhang. BA. AB is not there. Imagine this overhang FPM is, just to imagine, plus 10. Just imagine plus 10. So your M bar AB is not defined. Imagine M bar BA is plus 10. M bar BC, M bar CB, M bar CD, M bar DC. Imagine these values. Okay, start. Tell me, first step. First step for MD method is release moment at simple support with overhang. So statement is release unbalanced moment at B. See, add the two values. 10 minus 60 is minus 50. In change the sign. Plus 50 over. Half carry over here. Plus 25 over. Again I will tell you, if the overhang is not there, if it is simple support, minus 60, put plus 60, it will become 0. Now, when you add, this will become plus 10, this will become minus 10, this will become 75, this will become minus 42, plus 36, minus 70, plus 80. And also remember, now B, no more carryover, block. So when you do final answer, here is minus 10, plus 10, minus 10. Now enjoy the table and close the question. Clear? Enjoy the table, close the question by MD method. This all is solved in the class. Clear? Enjoy the table, close the question. Clear? Okay. Come to Carney's method. When you come to Carney's method, this is 3/4 all same. But remember, here A is imaginary. I remove the previous one so that fresh I can do. Okay, Anisha. I can do fresh. Anisha, just 1 minute. See, this is absolutely fixed. FPM is minus 70 plus 80, no problem. And this is point A, this is B, this is C. Don't buy out A, B, C, D, E. So your M dash ED equal to real 0. Now, B is going to be imaginary fixed support. So M dash, it is not BA, this is M dash BC. Right, once again. M dash BC, M dash CB. Allah. Oh, it is M dash CD. Okay, okay. M dash CD, M dash DC, M dash DE. Okay. All print mistake cleared. Now see. Overhang also is there. FPM is here minus 60, here plus 50, remaining I entered. Let this FPM equal to plus 10 over. Now start. Right side fixed, therefore nothing. I by L stiffness. Here, if the overhang is not there, minus 60 is there, put plus 60. Or since overhang is there, plus 10 minus 60. If you add, it becomes minus 50. But unbalanced, balance it by entering on inner side, plus 50. Half carryover, plus 25. So that if you add, it becomes minus 10 here, This will become plus 75. Okay. Now, add the FPM here. 75 minus 42. 42, 52, 62, 72. 72, 3. It is plus 33. Add the FPM here. 36 minus 70. Minus 64. Minus 64 Allah. Sorry. It is minus 36 minus 70 is plus 24. Last time I don't know. Maybe some mistake is there last time. Minus 70 plus 36 is plus 24. By chance, if by chance I forgot one addition, you correct it. See, by chance last time. See, I think last time, I don't know. By chance, if there is any mistake is there, correct it. I will tell, add the two values, add and write. Clear? Don't try to find mistake there. I will tell you, see what I told you. Add the two value and write here. Suppose I forgot to clear last time, you change it. Okay, minus 30, minus 34, sorry, minus 34. Okay. Minus 34 over. Okay, now, this is absolutely 0. This is imaginary 0 over. Now, enjoy the Carney's table. How means sorry. Tell me, when you do final moment, some small change I have to make now because order is changing now. Final moment will be, see, MAB is not there. How to start? MBA, MBC, MCB, MCD, MDC, MDE, then MED. Tell me, when you do final moment, which point you should not apply Carney's method? Tell me here. Which point you should be extremely careful? Moment at which point you should be careful? Fast. When you do final moment at B you should be careful. So at B, one of them is MBA, other is MBC. So MBA and MBC, be careful. Do not apply Carney's method. For these two moments, whatever you can see modified FPM, so MBA is plus 10, MBC is minus 10. Over. Remaining nothing. Remaining all solved by Carney's method. And get the final moment, go to star. Question number 7 over. Shall I go to question number 8? Okay. Now, A, there is no member. AB is not defined. MAB is not there. Okay. Now, shall I go to question number 8? No. Question number 8. Okay, start. Question number 8 is left side overhang, but right side is simple support. You can make out. See, I am covering each and every type. Once I finish the 9 questions, 10th case is not there. Okay. E. Now, this is simple support with overhang, but this is full, see, this is just simple support. Therefore, now this stiffness also 3/4 of I by L. This is I by L. So, this is 3/4, this is 3/4. Distribution factor find here 0 and 1. And here, see, it is simple support. Which one? With full simple support. So, here what you do? At this simple support, release the moment, full moment, plus 80, make minus 80. So, minus 80, plus 80, make minus 80 by only one member. Carry over half here, minus 40. Add it, minus 110 and 0 will come here. You write here, release, full release moment at E, but at B, release unbalanced moment. 10 minus 60 is minus 50, make plus 50, carry over. This is the modified FPM. Full clear? Last time question fixed end, only correction there. Now there, unbalanced release, here full release. Okay. Now start. Now, also block this support and block this one. When you add, it becomes 110. Okay, now enjoy the table and get final moment and go to star. Is the question fully clear? Is the question fully clear? MD method. Okay. Now come to Carney's method. When you come to Carney's method, remember B is simple support. Stiffness all remains same. I told you this is for both the methods. When you come to, first of all, I should not talk. B is simple support with overhang. So because simple support, imaginary fixed support, but overhang is there, enter the moment. 0 here, small 0. E is simple support. Therefore, this will become imaginary fixed support. This will become imaginary fixed support. I write somewhere here. This E will become imaginary fixed support. Okay, now this is not full 0. This is M dash ED is small 0. Actually small 0, big 0. 0 is 0 only. Now, before you start calculation, here full release plus 80 is there. Put minus 80. So that will become 0. Carry over half here. Minus 40. It will become minus 110. Here 10 minus 60 is what? Plus minus 50. Change the sign. Plus 50. Carry over half this side. Add the values. Okay, now enjoy the table. When you add 75 minus 42 is 33, correct? Here 36 minus 110. That will come 64 minus 74, correct? It will come minus 74, correct? Minus 74 is minus 74, correct? Minus 74, correct? Minus 74, correct? When you add the two values. Or I check the calculator. Tell fast. Minus 74. Is it correct? Okay. Over. Start. Now, start enjoy the table. Someone will tell. He is telling enjoy. He has not told. No. These three classes are for avoiding confusion of the corrections, stiffness factor, and where releasing required, those confusion. You should know the traditional part of adding, distributing, carryover, slope reflection, solving equation, Carney's method, calculating this value plus parent value. You should know it. First of all, for Carney's method, earlier one class, I uploaded this, how to find these values. I uploaded. Same thing for all 9 questions. There, everything I explained. So, this class is for clarification. And furthermore, it is for the people who study from me. Okay, now, start. Now tell me, when you do final moment, where you should be careful? Tell me, where you should be careful? Not only B, you should be careful at the B end. You should be careful at the B end. Should not, careful means should not apply Carney's method. B and E both. Careful at B. That is for MBA, MBC, and also at E. Oh, this also, be careful. Be careful. First do one thing. Finish that one. Here, where simple support is there, do not apply Carney's formula of m dash xy plus 2m, m bar xy plus 2m dash xy plus m dash yx. Where simple support is there, either simple support is one member or overhang, final moment equal to modified FPM. Therefore, this side moment is plus 10, plus 10, that side moment is minus 10, and there final moment equal to 0. Remaining all enjoy by Carney's method. Over. Now, last question, question number 9. Over. Concluding question. Question 9 is, it has got overhang here also, F. Now, this is simple support with overhang. This also what? This also is simple support is overhang. Moment is not zero, net moment zero. So now I want stiffness will remain same. 3/4 here, 3/4 here. Now table will continue. I will put minus 20 here. Okay. That is FPM. Imagine FPM is what? Plus 10, minus 60, plus 50, minus 42. This is FPM. Okay. Start. Now MD, here one more thing. Forgot. This is E, simple support with overhang. Distribution pattern required here. Overhang side is 0, inner side is 1. Okay. Now, start. End correction. Last chance for you. At simple support, you release the moment. At simple support with overhang,